Experience ko as a teacher fellow, as in trial by fire. Kasi first year ko of fellowship. As in, kakagraduate ko lang. Nalagay ako second to the last section. Tapos meron akong 6 hearing impaired students. So, first year, very difficult talaga siya. Pero eventually, nagiging madali. Kasi nare-realize mo na, ganito pala siya nangyayari. Parang na-realize ko with the first year fellowship na kaya siya mahirap kasi hindi mo alam paano gawin. Pero eventually, because of the people you work with, syempre, para din sa bata, nalalaman mo na kayang-kaya naman pala, kakayanin. After 2 years of fellowship, natutuhan ko na hindi kaya mag-isa. Hindi pwedeng ako lang mag-isa ang gumagawa kasi kung puro ako lang, later on, mawawala yung meaning ng trabaho na ginagawa ko. And kung mawawala yung meaning ng work na ginagawa mo, malolost ka in the end. Pero by working with other people, you are constantly reminded of your why. Bakit kailangan mong magpatuloy araw-araw?